In today's fast-paced business world, managing multiple systems and processes can be overwhelming. But with Turqosoft Solutions, you can simplify and streamline your operations, making your business more efficient than ever before. Our team of experts specializes in ERPNext consulting, helping you unlock the full potential of your business. We'll guide you through the implementation process, ensuring a seamless transition and maximum efficiency. Our implementation consulting on Frappe-based solutions are designed to be flexible and customizable, tailored to your unique business needs. Our team of developers will work closely with you to ensure that the software aligns perfectly with your processes and requirements. Don't let complex systems hold your business back. Streamline your operations today with Turqosoft Solutions and experience the power of efficiency. Click the button below to get started.